National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain encroaching upon the Warren area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly, especially along the fast-responding streams and creeks in Charlotte. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has